If I had to toss every product that I own, these are the 3 that I am keeping for my fine hair. And make sure to stick around to the end because I am sharing my all-time favorite volume hack. All right, this is a very tough decision because I love my hair products. And if you've watched any of my other hair videos, then you already know. But if I had to narrow it down to just 3, then these are the ones I am not giving up. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chery, a hairstylist and makeup artist with over 23 years of experience in the beauty industry. I have also owned a salon for the last decade, and I am the founder of Gibson Girl Beauty. I tell you all of this because I want you to know that I know a thing or two about beauty. Product number 1, Oribe Swept Up. This is my holy grail, all-time, never go a day without it product. It is my go-to for instant root lift. It gives volume, texture, and just enough grit. I also end up using weightless hairspray because it helps keep my hair from separating and holds everything in place. Product number 2, R+Co Balloon Dry Volume Spray. This product adds so much body and texture without weighing anything down. And it still leaves your hair totally brushable. It honestly makes it look like you have way more hair than you actually do. This is definitely a product I will never give up. Product number 3, R+Co Outer Space Hairspray. This is what locks in all the volume and gives that final touch to limp, fine hair. It sets your style without stiffness so you can go about your day worry-free and without your hair falling flat. Now here's the part that I get asked about all of the time. How do you get so much volume without teasing or damaging your hair? All right, so this is my go-to hack when I want lift that actually lasts. And I promise you, your hair will not fall flat. All right, so this is a crimper, but not just any crimper. It's a texturizing crimper designed specifically to add volume at the root. Let me show you exactly how I use it. I crimp right at the roots, working in small sections underneath each layer. The more layers you crimp, the more volume you get. Just make sure to leave enough hair on the top to cover the crimped sections. And you'll have instant volume that lasts all day with no teasing and no heavy products. These are my ride or die products and the little hack that makes a big difference. No teasing, no breakage, just a little extra effort for big volume. If you want to see more volume boosting products, including shampoo, conditioner, and everything in between, check out my video, Best Volumizing Products for Fine Hair. I will link that in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more fine hair tips and beauty tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.